Tick-tock, 7 o'clock. Time to get up, 7 o'clock. Today is August 4th, 2026. In the city of Allendale, California. Today is Mr. Featherstone's birthday. 7-9, breakfast time, 7-9. Today is the anniversary of Tillita's marriage. Insurance is payable, as are the water, gas, and light bills. 8-1, tick-tock, 8-1 o'clock, off to school, off to work, run, 8-1. Rain, go away, rubbers, raincoats for today. 9:15, time to clean. $10:15. $2:35. 4:30. 6, 7, 8 o'clock. 9:05. Mrs. McClellan, which poem would you like this evening? Since you express no preference, I shall select a poem at random. Sarah Teasdale, as I recall, your favorite. There will come soft rains in the smell of the ground, and swallows circling with their shimmering sound, and frogs in the pools singing at night, and wild plum trees and tremulous white. Robins will wear their feathery fire, whistling their whines on a low fence wire, and not one will know of the war, not one will care at last when it is done. Not one would mind, neither bird nor tree, if mankind perished utterly, and spring herself, when she woke at dawn, would scarcely know that we were gone. Fire, fire, fire. Today is August 4th, 2026. Today is August 4th, 2026. Today is August 4th, 2026.